This video I'm going to show you a short CapCut template tutorial. So I'm going to show you how you can simply find the famous and best templates to use on CapCut. Before we get started, take note that there are two methods that we are going to show you in this video. So on the first method, what you'll need to do first is to go ahead and open your browser on your device and head over to google.com. So on your browser, just go ahead and search for CapCut template. Make sure that you search for CapCut template on the search bar of google.com. Now after you enter that, just go ahead and click on the search icon and this will take you in this area. So in here, just go ahead and scroll down and you'll be able to find this CapCut templates.co.in latest new trend CapCut templates. In this section, you'll be able to find the trending CapCut templates that are organized in different categories. So in this section, you can actually view each of these templates featured before you actually hit on the use template on CapCut. This will allow you to have a preview of how the template looks like without needing to go to the CapCut app immediately. Click on the use template on CapCut to be able to view the template that you've selected on the CapCut app that you have, and click on the use template if you want to use this template for your video. Now on your local drive, just go ahead and select the photo that you want to incorporate with that template and click on the next button. Once you have incorporated all the required materials for the template. Now in here, you can have a preview of how your video would look like before you actually export it as a video or upload it on TikTok. So the second method that we have for you will require you to first go ahead and head over to the TikTok application on your device. Now make sure you're signed in into the application. Now in here, go ahead and click on the search icon at the top right corner of your screen and search for CapCut templates. You'll need to search for CapCut templates in this area to be able to find the latest video templates on the application. This is actually based on your location and your activity on TikTok. So just go ahead and look for that specific template that you want to use and click on the CapCut Try This template to be able to view that template on your CapCut app. And here, just go ahead and click on the use template in CapCut and this will redirect you to the CapCut application on your device. Now click on the use template button if you want to use this template for your photos and videos that you want to create on CapCut. So just go ahead and click on the use template button and this will redirect you into your local drive. Now on your local drive, head over to the specific photo or video that you want to incorporate for this template and click on the next button. And in here, you'll be able to have a preview of how your video will look like with that template and photos incorporated. So you can edit the position of your photo further by clicking on that specific photo and clicking the crop. This will allow you to customize further the specific area where you want your photo or video to be featured the most for that specific part of the clip. And that is how you can simply use and find CapCut templates.